Welcome back to another K-Core 4 Miles online tour. Today we are in Entrada. I'm going to show you this beautiful model of Del Rey. I'll start showing you from the back. Over here you got your electrical meter. Here you got your carrier air conditioning unit. See how long this wall is and how tall it is. Very nice. Over here on the back of this home here you have a beautiful lake. Remember, this house is already sold. I just want you to get an idea of what the layout of the house is. We got some people working inside the house, so hope that don't bother you. Okay, and this is the Lanai from the back. Nice, big size. I think the screen is not included, so just for you to know. Over here, you see there's 3 windows. They're very nice from inside. I'll show you when I get in. See all those blue dots? Those are just touch-ups they need to do. So this house was sold. They just had a final inspection, so they are going through all the little things and fixing them. Okay, let me go really quick through this house here. Somebody's working on it, so let's do it here. So just come in here. You got this nice 8-foot door with a keypad. And you walk here to this side, you got the first room. Check it out. Pretty nice. With a closet with double doors, 8-foot doors. See, this is very spacious here. Okay. Then we move along here. Here's the bathroom. Towel, granite countertops. Okay. And then over here you have the other bedroom. Sorry that it's a little bit dark, but today it's a cloudy day outside, so not too much sun is coming from outside. So here's the other room, and stand over here so you get an idea of the size. Okay. Let's keep going. Sorry about the noises. I'm going to the construction area here. And as you come in, you got this nice hallway, and you got this area over here that leads you to the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Over there you find your hurricane shutters, your electric, and over here you got your water heater. It's such a nice to have a new home. It smells good. Smells new. Okay, over here we have the AC. You have a carrier air conditioning, 3 tons, 14 SEER. Okay. Then we move over here to the sink, washer, and then the dryer goes over there. This is all the hookup. Pretty nice big room. Plenty of space there, maybe you could add some extra shelves. And over here, this is another room. This room, they call it the flex room because you can use it as an office or you can use it as a room. Let me stand over here so you can see. The nice thing about it is that we would consider a den if we would have a closet, but since they put a closet, it could be a flex room, so you can make it into a den or a bedroom because it has closet. So it's very nice. So this house has, I didn't tell you from in the front because of all the noise, this is a 3 bedrooms with a flex room. That's where we're now. 2 bath and 2-car garage. And the size of the home is around 2,034 square feet under here. Okay. As we come on this side here, we get to see the spacious living room and kitchen area. Very spacious. Let me see here. The great room is called. It's 13 feet 4 inches times 20 feet 4 inches. So you have a big area here. And let me stand over here so you can visualize it. On this side over here, you can see the kitchen over there. And the kitchen is 11 feet 8 inches times 10 feet 11 inches. No, that's not the kitchen. That's the dining room over there. Sorry. And the kitchen is over here is 12 feet 4 inches times 14 and 7 inches. So you got a pretty big kitchen, nice dining room area, and check out the windows I was telling you from outside. Look how nice. It's a shame that today is just a cloudy day and you can get the brightness that you usually get when it's not nice outside, but it'll still bring some light inside. It's very nice. And let's take a little tour here of the kitchen. Check out the cabinets. You got your nice cabinets here. Microwave, Whirlpool, all stainless steel appliances, their own Whirlpool. Check out the island. Sink, you got your dishwasher. Over here you got a pantry. Nice size pantry. You have a light inside here. Check out. And over here you got a side board over here. Nice cabinets with, very nice. Check out the refrigerator. It's a very nice. Just imagine you're sitting right here. You can entertain all your guests. It's very nice. And also the LED can lights. Check those can lights out. They make the room also a lot brighter, and like their LEDs there to save energy. And you're getting a lot of light, so it's pretty cool. Here's the Lanai. I'll leave that for the end so you can see it from inside. We're going here to the master. See, the master bedroom here is, you can fit a king size bed in here. It's huge. And let me tell you the size. If I have it here, it's 15 feet times 17 feet. So it's a pretty big room. Let me stand over here in the corner so you visualize the size. It's pretty big. Check it out. Okay. Let's move over here. Over here you got closet number 1. Most likely it's a gentleman closet because it's a smaller one. And over here is closet number 2, the big closet. Okay. Now we walk into the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is very spacious. Our bathroom, check it out. You got your double sink, nice lights on the top. And nice, it's very nice. And let me show you on this side here. You have the shower. And over here is the door to the closet. Okay, not closet. And the toilet closet. Here it is. Okay, for your privacy. Let me turn on the light here. Got your sauce fan going on. Okay, and over here is your walk-in shower. You have a glass entrance. The door, check out the detail. And very nice. Bring it up. You have a window up here. A lot of lighting. And you got your little place to put your soap and stuff. And you got a little bench actually too. Okay. So we got that. And I don't know if I showed you the floor. I'll show you the floor when I go outside. Okay, let me show you against this room. Check out the view outside. I don't know if your camera goes through the window. Let me stand over here so you see the size. Pretty big size room. Then outside here, check out the view. Here's your irrigation sprayer over there. I mean, tell me what you think about this home. Okay, please write in the comments below. I would like to know what you like or dislike like about this house. That's a pretty big house. And over here, this is Lanai. Okay, let me see if I can get this camera to work. It's having issues today. Check it out. Nice big area outside. I don't think the screen, I think is upgrade, so I don't think the regular homes brings the screen, so something you have to talk to the builder if you want. Okay. So let me show you the floor again. Check out the floor. It's very nice. The whole house, except the bedrooms, has that floor. And it's really nice. That bedroom has pretty nice carpet. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please, if you're thinking about moving to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, please subscribe. Putting videos every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, if weather permits. And I would love for you to subscribe and interact with me while I do my videos. I get a lot of input from my subscribers. So if you have any questions about Entrada, and just feel free to contact us. You can call 239-410-7372. My wife and I, we've been selling Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years, and we're very experienced. And we work with a lot of different builders, so please give us a call and we'll try to see if we can fit you on the house that you're looking for. Also, if you would like to see more about Entrada, I got a list in my YouTube page that has videos of the community. I drive around the community, and I also have probably like 5 or 6 other homes. So kind of like this, kind of lay, you know, some of them were models, some of them are just like this that were sold, and I came in and do the video so you see the layout. So check it out and subscribe, and see you on the next video from Cape Coral, Florida, Entrada. See you in the next video.